Hey, what's up, XYO network guys? So absolutely, you can see here a lot of people are worrying about XYO network because the price start dumping. The changes is going negative in the XYO network. That's why a lot of people are saying about XYO network. But don't worry guys, now in the latest situation, I have a good news for all of you that the changes start positive guys. Guys, if you are new on my channel, so please subscribe now. Positive 4.6% changes is positive in the last 60 minutes. In the last 1 week changes, you already know about that. In the previous time, the price taken a huge pump. Only yesterday the price falls down, and right now price of XYO is about 0.04045 USD dollar. That is a right now price, live price update of XYO network you are watching now. You can see here guys, just look here, notice that, let me zoom it, from guys 11 September the XYO price falls down. So now it is a falling time, the falls of XYO starts guys. Now I think my prediction is that guys, that XYO network continue this falls for a 1 week, and after 1 week falls there is again possibilities that the price will pump. So guys, don't lose hope. Patience is a good thing in a crypto market. Wait, again at the last of September there is a higher possibilities that XYO network price will again pump. Other side, you can see if you look the previous changes, so positive 281% positive changes occur in the XYO network. Hope you like this update video guys. Don't forget to subscribe channel for more news and updates video.